Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Disano Apple Cider Vinegar with goodness of mother vinegar. In this video we'll see the various benefits of using apple cider vinegar. Here I'm using this apple cider vinegar from Disano. It cost me around 195 rupees for 500 ml of product, and I have bought this one from Amazon. This apple cider vinegar is not made from a concentrate, it is made from apple juice, so it has all nutrients in it. It also contains mother vinegar, which is raw, unfiltered and undiluted one, so it gives best health benefits. It is also rich in potent antioxidants, B-complex vitamins, biflavonoids, acetic acid and enzymes. So it is a general tonic that helps to boost overall health and provide many benefits. Now let's see the benefits of this apple cider vinegar one after one. When coming to its health benefits, it helps to reduce weight. It reduces the fat storage in your body, thereby you can control your weight. It also helps to increase your metabolism. If you want to have an improved metabolism rate, then you can try this apple cider vinegar. Now coming to its benefits for hair. If you are suffering from dandruff, then you can try this apple cider vinegar for it. It gives you a dandruff-free scalp. Now let me show you how to use this apple cider vinegar to remove dandruff. Take a cup, pour some amount of apple cider vinegar in it. Now mix it with equal amount of water. You can use this mixture to remove dandruff. Just apply this on your scalp and rinse after 15 minutes. You can also apply it on your hair. By doing so, it will give you a soft and shiny hair. Or else you can also mix some amount of water in this apple cider vinegar and pour that after your hair wash. It also gives you a soft and shiny hair. Now let's see the benefits of apple cider vinegar for skin. It is also great for skin. It has antibacterial property in it, so it helps to reduce acne. All you have to do is apply the mixture of water and apple cider vinegar in equal portions and take some amount of cotton. Now just dab this on the affected area. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Because of its antibacterial properties, it will help you to get rid of acne faster. And this one also helps to maintain the pH balance. So you can also use it as a toner. You can just take a bit of cotton and apply it on your face after face wash. Or else you can also use a spray bottle. Add apple cider vinegar and water in 1:3 ratio. You can store this in a refrigerator. Just spray it after face wash. It helps to maintain the pH balance of skin. So guys, these are the various benefits of apple cider vinegar. But if it is not made of a concentrate, then it will be really beneficial. So these are the few benefits of using apple cider vinegar. Hope you guys find this video helpful. I have also provided the buying link of this product in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.